Assalamu alaikum, date 4th. I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher with the lecture of Oxford Progressive English. So open your books of English Oxford. Open page number 86. Unit number 17. Have you ever been in a film? Vocabulary, films, grammar, present perfect, plus already, plus or yet, been to or gone to. Unit number 17, lesson number 1. Listen and speak. Read the dialogue and answer the question. What is Auntie Bridget's next film project? It answer. It is about apes in African jungle. In this story, there are two main characters. First one is Dan and the second one is Auntie Bridget. And they are talking about different films, and Aunt Bridget tell Dan about his profession as a film director, and then ask the question, have you always been a film director? Auntie Bridget tell him that no, I worked in a zoo before I became a film director. And in this way they share their feelings or expression about different films. Ask and answer question about Auntie Bridget. Question number 1. How many films have she made? About 10 films. And question number 2 is, what other work has she done? Answer is, she worked in a zoo. Question number 3. What has she filmed in Africa? About cheetahs and birds. Question number 4. Has she always been a film director? No. And question number 5. Has she ever been to Africa? And the answer is yes. Has she made a film about apes yet? Answer is no, not yet. Ask and answer question about the pictures. And in this lesson we are going to read, or we are going to study present perfect sentence. And the structure of this tense is subject plus verb, third form of verb plus helping verb. And in this chapter, or in this lesson, we are going to read about the present perfect tense and sentence. And we are the structure of this sentence or this tense is that basically when we talk about sentence is a single sentence. We can say that sentence is a group of words that have subject and predicate with punctuation marks. And on the other hand, when we talk about tense, we can say that it is an era. For example, there are 3 tenses. First one is present, the second one is past, and the third one is future. And the structure of present perfect is that subject plus helping verb plus verb ki third form plus object. And when we make a interrogative question or interrogative sentence, we use helping verb plus subject plus third form of verb plus object plus question mark. We have we can see that, has she packed her bag? This is interrogative sentence, and we have to make these interrogative sentence by following this structure. For example, has she packed her bag? When we talk about helping verbs, there are 2 helping verbs. First one is has and the second one is have. We use has for singulars and the have and have for plurals. For singular mean he, she, it, or any name, singular name especially. And have I, we, you, they, and any plural names. And by this, for example, have she packed her bag? Or we can say that, has she done her shopping? By following this video, you can complete your work. Especially you have to follow the instruction that I have given, then you can make your own sentences about these pictures. Unit number 17, lesson number 2, words. Dan has gone to party. He hasn't come back yet. I have been to Africa. I have just go back. you have to read these words and you have to make you have to read or you have to discussion about these pictures in your own, and this discussion based on you, and the better way to do discussion to do in classroom. Number 2, Aunt Bridget is telling Dan about her flying experience. Listen and take the correct boxes. And you can complete this box by following this video. And just you have to read this lesson. Lesson number 2 of unit number 17. Just read. By following this video, you can complete your work of English Oxford. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.